Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter number 3, class 11 chemistry. The name of chapter is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Means in this chapter we will arrange elements in different classes that are called groups and periods, and repetition or variation of the properties of elements in different groups and periods. First of all, earlier developments in the classification of elements. Unitary theory. This theory was given by William Prout, 1815. The theory implied that all the elements were made up of hydrogen atoms. Students, what is the meaning of this? According to William Prout, the masses of all elements are the approx equal to the mm, approx equal to the multiple of the mass of hydrogen atom. After that, Dobereiner traits, 1817. Dobereiner arranged elements in a group of three called traits. Dobereiner arranged elements in a group of three called traits in such a way that the middle element had an atomic weight almost the average of the other two. For example, first trait lithium, sodium, potassium. In this trait, the mass of sodium is an average of lithium and potassium. Other example, chlorine, bromine and iodine. In this trait, the mass of bromine is average of chlorine and iodine and so on. Cook's homologous series. Cook classified the elements in several homologous series on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are present in the same group according to Cook's. Next topic, most important topic, Newland's law of octaves. Newlands found that if the elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weight, the properties of every eighth element were similar to those of the first one. Newlands found that if the elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weight, the properties of every eighth element were similar to those of the first one. What is the meaning of this? If you will arrange elements like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, then lithium will be first one and sodium will be eighth. The properties of sodium will be similar to that of the properties of lithium will be similar to that of sodium. Students, at that particular time, inert gases were not discovered. After that, very important theory, Lothar-Meyer arrangement of elements, 1869. Students, Lothar-Meyer plotted various physical properties, example atomic volume, density, melting point, etc., against atomic weight, and found that these properties varied in periodic fashion. Means, according to Lothar-Meyer, properties of elements depends upon their atomic weights. After that, periodic table. A periodic table is an arrangement of all known elements based on certain law called periodic law in a manner that the elements with similar properties fall in the same vertical column called group. So students, what is periodic table? Periodic table is a kind of table in which elements are arranged on the basis of certain laws in groups and periods, and the elements that are present in the same groups have same properties. A periodic table is an arrangement of all known elements based on certain law called periodic law in a manner that The elements with similar properties fall in the same vertical column called group. Okay, thank you.